Okay, so these are the products that I'm going to use today. This is Hair Milk. It's a leave-in conditioner, a moisturizing leave-in conditioner, and it's by Carol's Daughter. This also is a product by Carol's Daughter, and it is the Hair Honey. It's like a hairdressing shine pomade, and it works really well. I like to use it on the front of my hair. And this is Jam, Dark and Lovely Jam Extra Whole, and it's condition and shine gel. This is the ponytail that me and my daughter actually worked together to pick out. It was only $12.99 at my local hair store. It's a French wave, and it's 18 inches. Okay, so I'm going to use this scarf just to mold my hair even more. This is what I usually do. And I wrap it in the back, as you can see. So I get the part, then this is the front. I take it to the back, and I pull them the opposite direction, and then wrap it back around to the front, pull them the opposite direction, wrap it down to the back, and when it gets this short, that's when I just go ahead and trying to show what happened and how I do it, and I kind of messed up. So let's start over. So I put it on my head, take it around to the back, pull opposite directions, wrap it back around to the front, pull opposite directions, wrap it back around to the back, and then I tie it in a knot. A tight knot, because the tighter you have it, the more molded your hair is going to be. And then once I do that, then your ears are usually behind it, so I just peel my ears out, I peel my ears out, like so. Now it's very tight, and I usually wait about 30 minutes to an hour, and then my hair will be molded. So for now, bye.
Send it app to cash. Western Union.
Choose Mobil 1 Synthetic instead. It protects engines better than conventional motor oil. Really? Seriously. It keeps engines in excellent condition for over 250,000 miles. You expect me to believe a paid spokesman?
Baby, do you love me even when I have this on?
Paid spokesman.
What?
Do you love me even when I have this on?
Not getting paid for this? You won't.
Get 250,000 miles of protection.
Okay, so
You got this door open, baby?
what door?
Patio door.
Oh, because it was hot. I had some fresh air coming in.
You leave it open or shut it?
It don't matter. I'm doing my YouTube video. I'm trying to get this thing. Okay, so you take your scarf off. Mine has been on now for 30 minutes. I'm a little impatient, but sometimes I leave it on. Oh, look at that line that left right there. Tell that thing was tight. The line will go away. No worries. And this is soaking wet now, and it smells like medicine. This is my hair. Hey, baby. Baby. Justin. Somebody. Anaya. Anybody in this house. Does anybody hear me? Baby. Baby. Why is everybody ignoring me? Anaya. Can you get me the scissors? You want to say hey to YouTube? Okay, so this part here I could just pull off, but there's other parts that you can't pull off that you need scissors for. Like these little things here. And this thing. Want to say hey to YouTube? Hey YouTube. They can't even see you. Come here, Nana. Say hey to YouTube. So I'm cutting these off now. Thank you for bringing me the scissors, baby. And it always comes with a net on, so you want to just take the net off of your ponytail. I got wet and wavy. I was going to get straight. Oh, they have one of those little poison things in there. You just want to take that out and get rid of it. Especially if you have small kids, you don't want them to get a hold of that. So I was going to get straight, but I didn't get straight because my daughter kind of talked me out of it. She's like, well, Mama, your hair is like, you know, wavy, so you should probably get, but when I put that jam on there instead of the Echo Gel, it doesn't look as wavy, I don't think. I think it looks more straight. So maybe I should have got straight, but we're going to rock with this. We're going to see how this goes. I just cut all the tags off. So now my pony is tag free. This is the one that comes with the clips and the drawstring, so you can make sure it's secure. So I am going to just stick the clips into my ponytail. You may have to find out the exact position that you want. And then there's clips on the bottom, and I'll stick that in too. Once you have both clips in, then you want to grab your drawstring and pull it as tight as possible. Okay, now this, some people don't do this, but this is what I do. Once I pull my drawstring as tight as possible, I wrap that bad boy around a couple times because I just want mine to be super tight and super secure. And then, ta-da, all I need is earrings. It only takes, you know, you can do this quick and you can make it where it only takes 5 minutes. Or you can do it like I did, where it takes a little longer. But it's cute though. She ready? What y'all think? Comment below. Tell me what you think about this quick hairstyle. This line will go away, and I will take pictures and videos today because today is Memorial Day. And I'll be with my family. We're going on a quick little day trip with me and my fiance and my daughter. My daughter's friend is coming. My dad is coming. My dad's wife. And my little brother. So you will definitely see this hair after I put my clothes on too. Bye. Thank you for watching my video. Please make sure that you like, subscribe, comment, and share my video. And if you haven't entered into my contest I have going on, make sure you watch one of the wedding series videos so you'll know just what to do for your chance to win 2 free wedding bands. I am in love with this hairstyle and can't wait to rock it all day. Bye-bye.